How to fix not being able to invite friends on Minecraft. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix not being able to invite friends on Minecraft. If you encounter the unable to connect to world error in Minecraft while trying to join a friend's world or playing solo, there could be various reasons for this issue. From game bugs to problematic Windows firewall settings, you should explore each option individually until you find the source of the problem. To resolve each possible issue, attempt each of the steps I'll tell you. First, you need to restart the game. After that, restart your router or internet connection. Next, you need to check the firewall settings. Then, check for the game updates. After that, check multiple settings. Then, you will have to use a VPN. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.